Are you looking to publish a scientific article? Here are 5 steps you need to take in order to publish a peer-reviewed article before getting into a PhD program. Step 1, find a mentor. If you're attending a university, you will want to start to think about the subjects and research topics that interest you. Once you have an idea of these topics, then you want to seek out the principal investigator or the PI at your university. You can send them an email to see if they might meet with you, but the best way to connect with them is to actually go to the lab and knock on the door. You'll also want to research the graduate students in the lab. Ask the PI if the graduate students might be willing to connect with you and actually invest the time to teach you all the scientific methods and procedures. Step number 2, bring a great attitude. Once you have an opportunity to learn research skills in a lab, you must treat it as a job. But you may not get paid for the time that you're actually putting in. The other main reason you need to have a good attitude is because you'll most likely start off doing the work that is not so exciting, but absolutely crucial for the experiments. You must be willing to do the grunt work, and you must be able to demonstrate that you're willing to learn. Step number 3, ask to attend all lab meetings. Show your interest and curiosity when attending the lab meetings. Be sure to communicate your ideas with your graduate student mentor and the PI. If you have any questions during these lab meetings, don't be afraid to ask them. Step number 4, you must ask the question. Your name may never appear on a publication unless you explicitly ask about the possibility to be named as a co-author. Timing of these questions is very important as well. Keep in mind that getting your name on a scientific peer-reviewed article is not easy. And the mentors could always say no, but there is a possibility they could say yes. Step number 5, find a way to make a significant contribution. Once you've learned a valuable skill in the lab, be sure to not only improve that skill, but be vocal about the work and results and take on more responsibility related to the research project. I would encourage you to get to know your PI and talk to them as you continue to progress and develop as a scientist. Be sure to discuss your goals of wanting to be a co-author and on a peer-reviewed paper. I encourage you to talk about this goal early and often with your graduate student mentor and your PI. Good luck in publishing your first article.